Hey guys, Master Spades here. How are y'all doing today? Are you tired of looking at videos of Elden Ring mod installations and you don't know what the hell's going on because they're going too fast and you gotta keep pausing it and you don't know what the fuck's going on? Well, you, my sir and ma'am, came to the right place. Let's get this over with and so you can get these mods installed. So, is this not you whenever you try to start Elden Rings whenever you install the mods? Yay. Oh yeah. No. Never. No. I just can't. I just can't. All F4. Get the fuck out of here. Hell no. Can't do it.
I recommend making a shortcut on your desktop so you always have Mod Engine accessible. Now you're set up to
This looks complicated.
mods.
We need to find an easier one. This is too much. Next. So, you want to know how to install Elden Ring mods? Well, you came to the right place. Without further ado, let me just show you right here the easiest way to install Elden Ring mods. Because everybody else goes too fast. First step, get Elden Rings. Elden Rings with the S. You say cheaper, that is? $52? Fake. Wrong again. What you do is you go to this website that you never knew of. So you go over here, click, bang. I'm not showing you anything. You can't see this. Top confidential. Alright, so what you do is you go to Elden Ring. Please give me the light. Alright, so Elden Ring. Okay, well, if you want runes, you can have runes. Nobody wants runes. We want counts. Bam. Max stats. Elden Ring Steam account. Level 713 with max stats. 38 doll hairs. Elden Ring. New Steam account. 0 hour. Full access and email. $25. What'd you say about $50? Yeah. We don't pay no $50 here. But if you do need to know this website, down in the description below. Wait, what did you just say to me? The website's fake. This is fake. What? Who told you that? You haven't even heard of this website, so how are you gonna say it's fake? It's got a lock at the top left where the address bar is. It means it's safe. Duh. Even if you're, everybody knows that. You got a lock. Means you can't give a fuck. So let's do it. Get your ass up in this website and buy what the fuck you want. They got Valorant. They got accounts for Clash of Clans. They don't even have, you just don't need it in all account. You could literally get runes for Elden Rings for cheap. Look at this. Bam. No, I'm not advertising for them or anything. What are you talking about? I'm just trying to help you help a brother out. Well, now you know the best thing and where to go. But anyways, without further ado, let's get to the next thing. Step 2. Alright? It's gonna be a good one. Step 2. Oh shit. You're still here? What are you doing? Oh, you wanted to see step 2. Oh, okay. Sorry about that. Step 2. Get winrar. Winrar. Alright. And we go to download WinRAR. You have a 64-bit, then click 64. If you got 32, then click 32. You go to download. Okay. And the website is legit, guys. I bought tons and tons of money worth of stuff on it. Accounts, items, creating currencies, you name it. Also, you can get a refund if they don't give it to you, if they're scammers, which I've never gotten even scammed before. Anyways, without further ado, start download. If you get lost during this video, or if you get lost getting WinRAR, look at the bottom. So start download. And then we go to downloads. Oh, whoa. Okay, we're gonna go right here. Downloads. And then we go right here. And WinRAR. WinRAR. So you click it. Yes. Install. Install it. Whoops. Anyways, step 3. Nexus mods. Nexus mods. Okay. Then you go to Nexus mods and then you register. Alright. Type in your email. You are not a robot, okay? Unless you are. Then you're on your own. So, and then you go over here. We're going to Google. Google. Are you ready, mate? Confidential stuff. Do not look at that, sirs. Look at those emails. Alright. Password is 1738. Just kidding. 1783. So then you go back to Nexus Mod after you check and verify your email, because that's what you do as a normal person. 1738. Yes, I know it was 1783. I said 1738 because the song. Alright. Alright. Okay, what's my username? Tyron. What's my password? It's bananas. And monkeys. Oh shit, those are definitely spelled wrong. There we go. And then you gotta click these. You gotta. Anyways, since we got our username wrong, put in your username. I mean, you can put your username as your email, but we ain't doing all that jazz today, okay? No jazz playing today. And voila! Don't you ever save that. All right. Step 4. You don't have to. You just close all this. Close this. Now we go home, and then you type in Elden Ring. Bum bum bum. All these mods. Look at this. Look at all these mods. Look at all this. It's 8 pages and more. Oh my gosh. Too much, right? Yeah, you can't decide? Cool. Well, I'll decide for you. Let's see. Let's do. Yeah, let's just click this. There we go. Even better. Popular. I don't know. Let's just do the this one. Why not? Let's make it look better. Because Elden Ring looks shitty, apparently. I'm just kidding. It does not look shitty. So, go to Files. Manual download. Did you get that? files. After you click it, manual download. Okay, either if you're a premium, then fast download, but you're not a premium, so slow download unless you bought it. So you download it, bring it back up, boom, and then you go to wherever it is, which mine's in my download folder. All right, Elden Ring Shade. We're gonna open where the file is because wait, this is the file. Silly me. Ha 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 ha. Oh well, before we do that, minimize, right click on your background, new folder, because you want to be organized. Elden Ring mods. Obviously you want to look like my make it look like my background, okay? See all these folders? See how freaking see how organized I am? Sorry. Very, very organized. Yep. 100%. 110% organized. So go back to it, right click, extract all, browse, go to your desktop, and then find your folder, Elden Ring mod. Then you press select folder, extract, because that's what we have winrar for. Bam. And then opens up this thing. You're gonna get a folder. It's gonna say readme. You can read it if you want. I'm not saying you have to because I'm showing you how to do it, but it'll show you how to do it. Sometimes they can be complicated, sometimes they can't be. Now that we have these files, step 5, go to Steam. Go to the library, wherever you want to go. Go to Elden Rings, where the hell it is. Manage, browse local files. Okay, and it's gonna bring you to your game. Okay, this is Elden Rings. This is all the stuff. Like there's a random bunch of folders in here. Do not worry about any other extra shit. Okay, because that's a lot of stuff. Anyways, grab your thing. And I'm not talking about your main files. So you highlight it, right click, copy. Whatever, copy as path, copy, same damn thing. And then you go right here. And then did it work? Bam. I don't know if it worked. It doesn't look like it worked, so just drag it in there. Just drag it all up in there. Yes, sir. Just drag it up in there. All right. Step number 6. All right, so go back to Elden Rings. Hit play. That hurt my eye sockets. Oh, it says I need to install a new version, but that is the latest version. But okay. So you get up in your game, and you're like, oh yeah, I'm gonna see this new shader. It's gonna be the best damn thing in my whole entire life. I'm gonna download more mods after this. I'm gonna get this, and I'm gonna get that, and I'm gonna get everything I can. And you go, okay, is it working? Do you know if it's working? You wanna know how it's working? You look at your character and see how sexy they are. And then you press end on your keyboard. Oh, shader on, shader off, shader on, shader off. You did it. 6 whole steps, maybe 10, maybe 12. Don't know how many steps. Who gives a shit? Now you got the mod. Ooh. Hallelujah. Great balls of fire. Alright, so you did the damn do. Now you're done. Some mods are different. Remember that. Sometimes you have to download an anti-cheat. Sometimes you have to download other things. Sometimes they can be really complicated. I will make more videos on how to install more like the randomizer, the itemizer, because it can be confusing. Well, if you did like this video, please leave a like, subscribe. Please tell me in the feedback, please. If this was really easy for you, because some of them are very complicated, please let me know. I'll make some more. I know some people do go fast on their videos and it really pisses me off because it makes me have to pause it and go back to it. Well, hopefully this was simple and easy, and love you guys.